What's good? How you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's about 27 degrees right now, but we got Cars and Coffee planned in the works again today. This is gonna be video number 2 on the channel, and I'm so sorry for slacking. It's been about 4 or 5 months now since my last upload. Just had a lot of shit going on, and Cars and Coffee's been postponed a few months, but I apologize. So you guys may be wondering, where's the Mustang at? Well, I detailed it yesterday, parked it up, got it looking all good. It's just Cars and Coffee. It's not a car show, so I didn't go too crazy on that. But man, I'm hoping there's some good cars this month. Last month we had Lambos and stuff. I should have recorded, but I was just busy with other stuff. But hopefully we got some good content for you guys today. So without any further ado, I'll pick the camera back up when I get to my car, get you guys a cold start, and we'll get this video rolling. See you guys then. All right, so we made it to the car. And like I said, I'm gonna get you guys a cold start so you guys can hear this up close and personal. So one thing right off the bat you guys may notice is there's a big ass crack in the windshield. Well, this happened last week when the temperatures got down to like 15 degrees and we got snow and ice. And after I defrosted my car, I came outside and looked, and there was just a big ass crack from all the way over here to all the way over there. Other than that, car started up, warmed it up for about 15 minutes. We're headed there right now. I got about a 45 minute drive there. When we get there, I'll meet up with some buddies if I see them, and I'll start filming some content for you guys. So I'll pick up the camera if anything interesting happens, or when we pull up. See you guys then.
Right. Well, and that's kind of a category this is in.
It's a much smoother. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. Probably doesn't. Yeah.
I'm gonna try not to get pulled over. I'm shooting my job out.
Oh, my bad. Yeah.
Yep. Y'all got the.
What happened? About a year, right? It's shopping time. Yeah, oh yeah.
Yes.
Jackson or Gleason.
And then for them,
A K-Series.
that splitter just sets it off. Looks so good. We at the gas station already. It's an everyday thing. Got like 20 miles to eat, so I'm about to fill this bitch up real quick. You already know we got to get some downshifts in there. Yes, sir. All right, so that's gonna wrap up Cars and Coffee today. It ended up being a great turnout today. Felt great at the end, and a lot of nice cars came out and some cars I haven't seen there before. So that's always great for content. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to smash that like button, comment what you guys want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. We're on the road. I'm gonna try to grow this channel as much as I can. Without any further ado, I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.